Baby boy, please give mommy the lizard. Baby boy, come here. Oh no, oh shit. Baby boy. Oh, not my pillow. Oh no. No. Oh, please. Okay. Shh. Holy shit. Okay, gimme. Oh shit. Okay. It's okay, just give it to me. Oh, I think it's dead. It's white. It's dead. Come on. Give it to me. Give to mommy, okay? Okay, what a good boy. Give mommy, okay? Give mommy. Okay, what a good boy. Give mommy. Good boy. Ah! Okay, go. You can still live. Okay, you can still live, right? I'm sorry about your tail. Go, okay? Go. Want me to help? You got stuck or something? Okay, go. I'm so sorry about your tail. Oh shit, the tail is somewhere in my bed. Buddy, next time, cannot anyhow eat lizard. Cannot, buddy. No. Okay, I'm terrified. Okay, you're alive. But like, why is your leg like that? You want help? I don't know how to help. The leg is like stuck or something. It's hurt. The leg is hurt. Okay, you're alive.